Connecting TradingView to Topstep allows you to integrate your TradingView charts and strategies with your Topstep account for a seamless trading experience. Here's how you can do it. Create and set up accounts. Sign up for TradingView if you don't have an account. Visit TradingView.com and complete the registration. Sign up for Topstep if you don't have an account. Visit TopstepTrader.com and complete the registration. Choose the right platform. In TradingView, make sure you have the charts and strategy you wish to use with Topstep ready. Topstep offers access to future markets, so ensure you are following a relevant market, like E-mini S&P on TradingView. Access TradingView from Topstep. Log into your Topstep account and head to the dashboard. Look for the integration option that allows you to connect TradingView. Some users access it through the TradingView integration option in Topstep's platform. Sync accounts. Once you select TradingView, you may be prompted to log into your TradingView account to allow permissions for the integration. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. Start trading. After successfully connecting, you can place trades from TradingView directly into your Topstep account using the strategies or signals you've set up.